Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove the instrument cluster on a 2003 Mercedes C230 compressor. It's the same for all models W203. It's really simple. We're going to repair the LCD display because it's losing its contrast, especially when it's hot. All you need is a metal quad hanger, and you need to cut the bottom piece of it, and you need a stick about 4 inches long, metal one. And as you can see, there is 2 holes on the side. You get inside and you go about 2.5 inches straight, and then you hear the click. You pull it a little bit, and then you get another stick on the other side, and you do the same thing. And now you just pull the cluster out of the vehicle. There is one cable on the back. Okay. Right here. You take it off, and then you can just take the cluster out of there. Clips that we need to take off. Actually 3 on the top and I think 2 on the bottom part. And then it comes apart. Okay, next you need to take that plastic piece off. You're just carefully pulling it off. And now on the back, where the ribbon is, there is 2 holders that you carefully remove, and then you pull it out. And then you have 2 clips on the bottom that hold the screen in place. And we took it off. This is the new screen that we purchased on eBay. You want to get the German made, not the Chinese made. It's about $117 at the moment. Free shipping. Okay, now what we first do is remove the protecting film on the back. Of the screen. Now we pull the second one off and we place it here. Then you need to make sure the cable goes on the back all the way in. Very careful with it. and then you close the plug. Next thing you need to do is put the plastic piece and you put it back in the casing. And it just snaps together. Okay, we're going to put it back together. It just goes in a certain angle. Then you have to make sure that you put the cables. It's really simple. Then you just push it back in. No tools needed until you hear the double click. And then you see the display, brand new, perfectly working. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.